Can you shoot a good video all by yourself? Yes, of course. And I'm going to show you today how I usually shoot mine independently. And also, I'm going to show you how I got dolled up for my Arabian look. Yalla Habibi, let's get started. So for this video, I'll be going ahead with a transition idea. So the camera is set on the tripod and here I am shooting the first half of the video. To pose this, I'm going to do a little bit of decor for my backdrop. So I already have the golden curtains on, and for that I am just going to add a maroon dupatta, as my costumes also have a similar color contrast, which is basically more of maroon and also has a golden embroidery on it. So before shooting myself, I actually get into the frame and see and check all the lightings or whether I'm in frame or not, as you know, I shoot it by myself. So now let's get dolled up for our Arabian look. So I've already done my skincare, so we'll directly go ahead with the makeup. So first thing first, I'm going to apply a concealer. This is from the e.l.f. Cosmetics and it's pretty good. It has very good coverage. So lip balm has to be done at the very first step actually, because when all your makeup will be done, your lips will be ready. I'll go ahead with applying of the foundation. I usually apply NYX foundation. It is still my favorite, but I'm currently testing out different foundations. So voila, we have Nykaa today. We are going to apply some loose powder onto it. If your skin is very oily, you can go ahead with this step. If you're okay with the glossy look, you can just skip this. Okay, proceeding with the eyeshadows. Starting with the outer corner first. So we're done with the matte shades at the outer corner and now we're going ahead with glimmery, shimmery stuffs. Some more dark color magic on the outer corner. Blend, 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 blend. The same shades what you apply on your upper lid should also go on your lower lash line. So for the Arabian look, we need our eyes to be very, very glamorous. For that, we are going to add this extra glitter from Swiss Beauty. This is a liquid glitter and I absolutely love this. So also we are going to add some beautiful shade at the inner corner of the eye. Preferably use a thin brush for it, and not to miss the eyebrows. So here comes the game-changing step of your makeup routine. So eyeliner is still okay, but the eyelashes, baap re baap, it is very, very tedious and I had to do it away from the camera. So yeah, we're going to go ahead with a blush. This is a very nice blush from Peripera. I'm going to mention all the products in the description box. I totally love how the eyeliner and the eyelashes literally lifted the entire look. Oh yes, not to forget the main glamorous step of your makeup routine for today's look, the highlighter. Highlighter, you guys, please don't miss it. Oh, this is such a lovely highlighter from Becca and oh. Okay, keeping that aside, let's still get dazzled up. Glitz, 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 glitz. Okay, so coming to our last step. But this doesn't just end with one liner. Lipstick number 1. Boom. Lipstick number 2. Wow, that color. But I'm still not satisfied. So lipstick number 3. And finally, yeah. Oh yes, the drama. We need the drama.